I'm now playing a role as a professor in the business school of the KAIST. I will present our lecture to you related to the big data-based decision making. As you know, our world is quite different from the past. The data is quite important. Data is an asset in every organization now. So how to utilize the data is a big issue for every organization. So nowadays we face a very uncertain world, uncertain future, and complex future, and dynamic futures. So our situation is quite unstable. So I think that in this time is absolutely necessary to adopt some kind of rapid decision making or agile decision making, further flexible decision making. But by the way, with only using the classical decision making tool, it is impossible to cope with this kind of difficulties. So we should adopt the big data based decision making tool. That is absolutely necessary in the future. It's a great opportunity for us to learn your countries. Anyway, welcome to Korea.